Hi, I'm Daniel Lublin, one of the founding partners of Whitten Lublin Employment Lawyers. I'm delighted today because I have with me Mark Yazdani, who's a disability law specialist and one of the lawyers that works with our team on disability law files. And Mark and I were both linked in an article on ctvnews.ca about insurance companies who are denying long-term disability claims for individuals who have COVID-19. So Mark, let's first just have a quick discussion. What are invisible insurance claims, and why are insurance companies denying such claims?
Insurance companies consider a disability to be an invisible disability if it's not easily proven, meaning that there's not an X-ray or a CT scan that shows an obvious break or fracture, for example. It's a condition that can't be proven necessarily by way of pathological evidence.
And are you seeing a lot of insurance companies take the position that COVID-19 type symptoms, or like the long haulers that we've heard about, do you see insurance companies denying those claims, and are those denials unfair?
Well, insurance companies do like to deny claims that are, quote, invisible disability claims on the grounds that there's no objective medical evidence. Someone who suffers from COVID-19 may have symptoms that cannot be easily proven, symptoms of brain fog, symptoms of severe fatigue, of general malaise. And those types of claims are often denied by insurance companies. And sometimes the excuse that the insurance company uses is that there is no diagnosis. The reality is that these insurance policies don't require a diagnosis to be eligible for disability benefits. There's no statement in these policies that say you must have a specific type of diagnosis. The test for disability is, do you suffer from an illness or an accident that prevents you from carrying out your job duties, regardless of what the cause is? And if you have COVID-related symptoms and they're severe enough, they certainly can prevent you from being able to carry out your job duties.
Are people with the COVID-type symptoms or the so-called long haulers, are they easily able to find physicians or medical doctors that can say that they're unable to perform their job, or are these individuals having a hard time having medical proof to demonstrate that they're incapable of working?
A lot of the people I deal with do have very supportive family doctors, for example, who are willing to support them, who are willing to write notes, fill out insurance forms, but oftentimes that's not enough for the insurance company. They say, well, the doctor's essentially reporting what you're saying. It doesn't constitute objective evidence. Well, I mean, that's not appropriate. If someone's family doctor is willing to support their patient and say, this is someone who I know, and I know they're experiencing these symptoms, they cannot perform their work duties, that should be sufficient for an insurance company, but unfortunately often it's not.